Hi everyone, I am V, and this channel is all about curating content on everything software and services. In this video, I'll talk about what graphic design is, the meaning and definition given to graphic design by experts in the design industry, and some interesting facts I discovered during the process of making this video. Let's go. 1. This LinkedIn post, written by Tarek Ahmed, a professional graphic designer, has interested me a great deal. The terms such as visually appealing, structured manner, elicit emotion. These terms allow the readers, including me, to imagine and give new meaning to the question. And the question is, what is graphic design? Now, my thoughts on this. I like the fact that this post has a personal touch to it. It first explains what graphic design is, how it works, or how designers create it. Then it goes on by citing different forms of graphic designs. Lastly, it mentioned two purposes of graphic design, which are 1. Telling an intended message, and 2. Doing so in an appealing and structured manner. 2. This is a video called The Beginner's Guide Series to Graphic Design by Gareth David Studio, a YouTube channel. This video explains the meaning of graphic design according to the perspective of Gareth David, a creative director with over 15 years of experience, and I like his perspective. Now my thought on this. In the video, Gareth split the term graphic design into two: the graphic part and the design part. He associated graphic part with the visual element such as line, color, etc. used in the creation of the design, while the design principles such as contrast, hierarchy, balance, etc. is associated to the design parts. 3. Lastly, this article written by the University of Mississippi is a well-written piece of content on the meaning of graphic design. It tells us why and how graphic design is done using easy-to-understand words, while also citing examples found in our daily life. Now my thought on this. I love the thought process used in explaining this. How the article explains different phrases used with examples found in our daily activities before combining these terms to explain what graphic design is. Quotes I saw and I like. 1. Graphic design is about molding the user experience visually. And this quote is from an article written on what graphic design is, and the article is by interactiondesign.org. Another quote is, graphic design is communication design, and this quote is from Jordan Wall, and this is from an article by learn.g2.com. Now, do you know the term graphic design was coined by typographer William Addison Wiggins in 1922 to identify the emerging field? Do you know graphic design is not about making things look pretty? Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.